Hello, in this video I'm here to talk about curse words, more specifically why they sound the way they do and how we innately sense when someone's yelling profanities even when speaking another language. The central question I'll be referencing is why do bad words sound the same across languages, and this largely comes down to phonology, or the study of sounds. To simplify matters, I'll be categorizing sounds as either rough sounds or soft sounds. Here is a phonological chart of the various sounds in Standard English. To preface, the characters on the left side of each column are voiced as consonants, while the ones on the right are voiced. Voicing simply refers to the use of the vocal cords when producing a sound. For example, S is the voiceless consonant while Z is its voiced counterpart. This means that if you put your hand on your neck while saying the word snake, you will feel nothing, but if you say the word zebra, you will feel a vibration in your vocal flaps. Moving on, a study published in the journal Psychonomic Bulletin and Review found that the letters P, T, and K are more common in curse words, while others such as W, R, L, and Y are rarer. All of the so-called common sounds are voiceless stops or plosives, while most of the rare ones are voiced approximants. The reason for this is quite simple. Voiceless consonants produce a harsh sound, while voiced consonants produce a soft one. At least, that's how the brain perceives them. Further, certain categories of sounds are seen as either heavier or lighter. In the case of plosives, an explosion of air is involved that allows a speaker to literally let out all of their pent-up emotions in an eruption of force. On the other hand, approximants all share an imprecision in articulation that lends to their inability to express severity or gravity. Now let's move on to some real-world examples. This is a list of various languages across the world along with 2 examples for each one of words that correlate with the English B and F word. They're not exact, but they were what I could find online. Upon analyzing the data, I found 45 instances of unvoiced or voiceless consonants and 19 of the plosives P, T, and K, and only 13 of voiced consonants and 9 of the approximants W, R, L, and Y. This means that on average, voiceless consonants are about 3 times more common than voiced ones, and plosives are also twice as common as approximants. Now, although voiced consonants and approximants are less common than unvoiced consonants and plosives, this does not mean that soft sounds do not play a vital role in forming curse words. In fact, they are very commonly used in order to form acceptable or less profane versions of curse words, such as euphemisms or minced oaths. So this is typically why people might say oh my gosh instead of oh my god, or darn instead of the F word, or other examples. Now I want to end the video with a classic Kiki and Booba example, or the Kiki and Booba effect, which practically sums everything up in one short point. So I ask you, which of these two is Kiki and which of these two is Booba? If you guessed that the roundish cloud was Booba and that the sharp spike was Kiki, you would be correct. As you may have guessed, the B in Booba is a soft, bubbly, voiced consonant, while the K in Kiki is a harsh, spiky, voiceless consonant. Another way to memorize this is that bees produce voiced sounds, while snakes produce unvoiced sounds. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.